Hi guys, welcome back to PyPro versus YouTube channel where curiosity meets the code. Today we'll be discussing about how to convert a PDF file to a Word file with the GUI using Tkinter. But before that, we'll be checking the packages pre-installed in my system. So the first command that I'm going to execute in command prompt is pip list, where you can see all the packages with the versions so I can give a look about what package is what version and update it accordingly. So you can take a look onto your packages. If not installed, please do install it. You can just Google how to install and there will be a command for that to execute in command prompt. Another command to check for all these is pip freeze, which gives a similar output where packages with the version will be mentioned. So let's get started with the code, starting from importing all the necessary libraries. We have import Tkinter as TK, which is used as a standard GUI library for Python. And from the Tkinter, we have file dialog and message box, which are used for display messages and used for saving the files. And we have import fits fitz. This line imports fitz module, which is a Python binding for the MuPDF, and MuPDF is a lightweight PDF as an XPS viewer. And from docs import document, here document class is imported from the docs module. This class is used to create a manipulative Word document. And then from PIL import image, this line imports the image class from the Python image library, which is used for working with images. And we have from IO import to byte IO. Here the byte IO class is imported from the IO library. Byte IO is used for handling binary data as if it were a file. So next, let's look at the functions of the program. Starting with the first function, which is extract text from PDF. Here, firstly, the line defines a function named extract text from PDF, which takes the PDF parameter. This function extracts the PDF file. So here you can see, first of all, text is equal to null value, and then we have try and except loop. Here document is equal to fitz.open PDF file. For page num in range length document, page is equal to doc load, text is equal to page plus plus text, and doc dot close. So here it opens each page and stores it in a page is equal to doc load page. So the page is being stored here and the text plus is equal to page dot text. So here from the page it is extracting the text and then the document closes. The try and except here exception as message box shower error. An error occur while extracting the text. So that this is an exception case where if the file doesn't open, we will be showing an error occurred while extracting the text file. Moving on to the next function, which is extract image from PDF. So firstly, def extract image from PDF file. This line defines a function named extract image from PDF, which takes a PDF file parameter. This function is responsible for extracting the images from the PDF file. And here image is equal to a null value, the line initialization, and empty list named images where the extracted images from the PDF will be stored. And we have try and execute loop. So try doc is equal to fitz dot open PDF file. Similarly to the previous function, this line uses the fitz dot open function to open the PDF file specified by the PDF file and returns a document object representing the PDF document. And we have a for loop for page num in range length doc. This line iterates through each page of the PDF document using a for loop similar to the previous function. And we have page is equal to doc dot load page. Within the loop, doc dot load page loads the page specified by the page number from the PDF document and returns a page object representing the page as an previous function. And we have pix is equal to page dot get pix map. This line retrieves the pix map. It's basically like a representation of a page as an image for the current page using the get pix map method to the page object and assigns it to a variable pix. If pix is not none, the line checks if the pix map is not empty, indicating that the page contains an image. And we have image stream is equal to byte IO. Here the byte IO object name image stream is created. This object will used to be stored the image data in the memory, and we have img is equal to image dot from bytes RGB, and we have pix width, pix height, and pix sample. Using the image from bytes method to the of the image class, an image object name img is created from the image data represented by pix. The parameters specify the color mode, which is RGB, and dimension of the image, and we have image.save image stream format PNG. The save method of the image object is used to save the image data to the image stream object as a PNG format image. And we have image stream seek 0. This line moves the file pointer to the beginning of the image stream object, allowing the subsequent reading from the start of the stream. And we have image.append image stream. The image stream object containing the image data is appended to the image list. And we have document.close. After executing the images from all the pages, the close method is called on the document object to close the PDF and release the association resources. And we have a except loop, so accept exception as E. So if there is any exception occurring within the try block, that is, if there is a file not found or a PDF format error, an error message will be printed, which is error. An error occurred while extracting the images, and we have written images. Finally, the function returns the list of extracted images stored in the image list. Now, moving on, we have the next function, which is convert PDF to the document. So the line defines a function named convert PDF to docs, which takes the PDF file and doc file as parameters. This function is responsible for converting a PDF file to a Word document, and we have the try and execute loop, where in the try docs is equal to document. Here a new document object named docs is created using the document constructed from the docs module. This object will represent the Word document that will be created. And we have text is equal to extract text from the PDF. This line calls the extract text from PDF function to extract the text from the PDF file specified by the PDF file and stores it to a variable text. And we have a if loop, if text docs.add paragraph text and docs.add paragraph. This if text was successfully extracted from the PDF, that is, text is not an empty string, it is added to the Word document using the add paragraph method to the document object. Two paragraphs are added, one of the extracted text and another for extracting spacing. We have images is equal to extract images from the PDF file. This line calls the extract image from the PDF function to extract images from the PDF file specified by PDF file and stores them in an images list. And we have another for loop for image stream in images docs.add picture, image stream docs.add paragraph. For each image stream in the images list is added to the Word document using the add pictures method to the document object. A paragraph break is added after each image for spacing. We have docs.save docs file. Finally, the Word document is saved to the file specified by docs file using the save method of the document object. And we have message box.show info success conversation completed successfully. A message box with the success and the message conversion completed successfully is displayed to indicate the conversion process was successful. And except loop, if there is any malfunction in the above paragraph, whatever I told you, there is an error message printed, which is error. An error occurred while converting the PDF to the Word. So moving on to the next function, we have choose function. So here in choose function, the line defines a function named choose PDF with no parameters. The function is called when the user wants to choose a PDF file. And we have file path is equal to file dialog dot ask open file name type file type is equal to pdf files dot pdf. Here the ask open file name function from the file dialog module is called to open the file dialog, allowing the user to select a PDF file. The accepted file types are specified as PDF files, and we have PDF dot entry delete 0 tk dot end and PDF entry dot insert 0 file path. The delete method is called on the PDF entry widget to delete any existing text, and then the selected file path is inserted into the PDF dot entry widget. And if you go to the next function, which is convert function. So firstly, the line defines a function named convert with no parameters. That's a function is called when the user wants the converted PDF to a Word document, and we have PDF file is equal to pdf.entry.get. The get method is called on the PDF entry widget to retrieve the file path entered by the user in the entry field, and it is stored in a variable pdf.file. Then, if not PDF file, message box show error. Error, please select a PDF file in return. If PDF file is empty, that is the user has not selected a file, an error message displaying using message box.show error, prompting the user to select PDF file, and the function returns without the future execution. And we have docs file is equal to file dialog dot ask save file name, and we have default text which is dot docs, and file type is Word files. So here the ask save file name function from the file dialog moves module is called the open a file dialog, allowing the user to specify a file path and name to save the converted Word document. The default file extension is set to .docs, and only Word files are accepted. If not, docs file returns. So if the docs file is empty, the function returns without any further execution. And lastly, we have convert PDF, docs PDF file, comma docs file. This otherwise the convert PDF function is called the PDF file and docs file parameters to initiate the conversation process. So let's move on to the GUI set. So here you can see the GUI setup box, setup part. We'll go each line by line. So starting with, we have root is equal to tk. This line creates the main window of the application using the tk class from the Tkinter module. And we have root.title PDF to Word Converter. Sets the title of the main window to the PDF to the Word Converter. And we have frame is equal to tk.frame root and frame.pack padx, and padi is 20. This creates a frame inside the window to contain the widget. The pack method is used to place the frame within the window with a padding of 10 pixels on each side. And we have PDF label, tk.label, and the text PDF label grid. So these creates a label widget inside the frame with the text PDF file, and grid method is used to place it in the first row, first column of the grid layout with the sticky option set to W, which is the west, to align it to the left. And we have PDF entry tk.entry frame width 50 and PDF entry grid row 0 column 1 and pad x is equal to 5. This creates an entry widget inside the frame. It provides a space for the user to enter the path of the PDF file. It's placed in the first row and the second column of the grid layout. And we have PDF button, tk.button, frame, text, browse, command, choose PDF, and PDF button grid. Row is equal to 0, column is equal to 2, pad x is equal to 5. Now this creates a button widget inside the frame with the text browse. When clicked, it triggers the choose PDF function. It places the first row and third column of the grid layout. And we have convert button is equal to tk.button convert button dot pack. This creates a button widget in the main window with the text convert. When clicked, it triggers the convert function. It's placed using the pack method with the vertical padding of 10 pixels each. And lastly, we have root.main loop. This starts the Tkinter event loop, which lists for every event and responds accordingly. It keeps the GUI running until the user closes the window. Now quickly let's see the output of the program. So as usual, I'm going to go to where the folder is, copy the name of the folder, Open the command prompt from there and python space filename dot py. And here you can see you can browse any kind of PDF file. So let me browse and I have an example.pdf in the same folder and I give the convert button and whatever file name you want to give. So I'm giving the same name so you'll know the difference. And we have the conversion successful message appeared and you can see there is a Word file which is added to the same folder next to the example.pdf. Thank you so much for watching. If you have learned something from this video, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.